Hello children, happy morning. Welcome back to science class. This video is the continuation of Unit 3, the lesson force. So we are going to see the types of forces today. Shall we start? Types of forces. In this we have two types, that is contact force and non-contact force. The contact force is classified into three types, that is muscular force, second one mechanical force, and third one is frictional force. Contact force means when a force is applied by touching the object, then it is called the contact force, like lightning the matchstick. The non-contact force, that's classified into two types, that is first one gravitational force, second one magnetic force. Non-contact force means when a force is applied without touching an object, then it is called non-contact force, like magnet and vacuum cleaner. We are going to see in detail about the contact force and their classification. As I said you before, contact force means force is applied by touching object. Under this, three force comes. Those are muscular force, mechanical force, and frictional force. Muscular force means force applied by using the parts of our body. Second, mechanical force. That means force applied by a machine like bulldozer and grinder. The third one, frictional force. First let us know the friction. Friction is a force action between two surfaces in contact. Okay, when we use erasers on a paper, the shape of the eraser changes. So because of that friction present in that. So between the eraser and the paper, the friction is present. So it is called a friction. And this frictional force means when we roll down a ball on a grass ground, it slows down and finally it stops. We know that an object cannot stop without force. So the force that stops the ball is frictional force. Now we shall see in detail about the non-contact force and their classification. When a force is applied without touching an object is called a non-contact force. This classifies gravitational force and magnetic force. First one, gravitational force. The force applied by the earth to pull objects towards itself. For example, the fruit falls down from the tree. So some gravitation is present there. So it is called a gravitational force. Secondly, the magnetic force. The force that attracts things is called the magnetic force. You know well about the magnet. What will happen when we take the magnet near to the iron or pin? Immediately it attracts. So a magnet is a material that attracts things made up of iron. Thank you children. I hope you would have understood the topic whatever I taught today. Till this topic, the unit 3 force lesson gets over. So next week I will post the question answers based on this lesson and follow it on next week.